Hello, good morning. My name is John Sepulveda. I am 29 years old. I am a student of business administration in UNAD. I am an employee in Workesa Security Courier in Puerto Libertador, Córdoba. I live with my parents in the municipality of Bello. Single marital status.
In the restaurant. Good evening, be welcome.
Do you have table early for me?
Why on the balcony or the main room? Do you want?
I would like it to be on the balcony.
I am Maria, your waiter. You can tell me when you are ready to order. What would you like to eat?
Up to if recommend some field please.
The salmon would be an excellent option.
For the main is the salmon in tomato sauce and for the dessert organ pudding please.
Shall I recommend sangria to accompany the salmon?
An 8 bowl of water please.
Very well. I must forget you the lower, the feet, or the shape.
Excuse me, could it give me the bill?
Harris, that will be $120, please.
Very good. Thank you.